Big bass in there, flexing everything. You wouldn't expect a system like this when you look at the vehicle too, so. Built the box?
Yeah, this box is meant for 2 12-inch sundowns, which were right here. I pretty much sealed it off, put the 2 15s in.
So you made it work?
Yeah.
Sweet, man. All right. Is this kind of like, is this different types of woods?
Yeah, this is MDF and then birch.
Okay.
On top.
Is that just one layer or is there another? Okay.
The MDF and then the 1 layer of birch on top.
That works, so that way you have a mounting point. Okay.
Oh yeah.
So is the box, how many cubes are in it?
Oh, I'm not even sure. I mean, it was for sundown, so I was suggesting probably.
So you went from 2 12s to 2 15s?
I actually had the 15s. I never had 12s.
Okay, got it.
I used to have the Mazda hatchback with the 4 10-inch Roxford Fosgate P2D2s.
Yeah. Oh, wow, yes. Okay. It's been a while. Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet.
So now I upgraded.
Is the amp over there?
Yeah, the amp's on the other side.
Okay, I'll go look. Nice. I'll go look, yeah. I want to open that and then. So you have a 3K?
Yep.
All right. This is at 1 ohm?
Yes, sir.
All right. Awesome. Do you know what the tuning is on it roughly?
I can play anything.
Anything? From mid-20s to 40, 50s, anything?
Like 23 hertz up.
All right. Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to get a demo. All right. So what's the electrical side like?
It's actually not bad. I mean, the headway, I've been putting abuse on it for a little while, so it doesn't hold voltage as much like it used to.
What size alternator in lithium?
This is 72-hour headway. Alternator is 300 amp output, brand X.
Okay. Sweet. All right. This your daily driver?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Any SPL burp tests on it?
Not yet. I've been waiting for Jason Swain's line to die down.
Yeah, it stays busy. Okay.
I was here last year with the same build, but with on 2 Smart 3Ks.
So you went from 2 to 1?
Yeah, Smart 3Ks took crap on me.
So this is not as loud as you're used to?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe a dB or 2 quieter?
Yeah.
All right. What vehicle was this?
Honda 2009 Honda CRV.
CRV, all right. Nice. You wouldn't expect a system like this when you look at the vehicle too, so.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you're like, oh, you got some big bass in there, flexing everything. That's on, you're on Team Dead Beats.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you, thank you.
Nice to meet you. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
It's DJ Rosticles.
in there flexing everything.